Hi, Dutch Revenboer with Flat Iron Realty Group here today, and I want to talk to you today about 100% fixer-upper financing, where you can borrow 100% of the total project cost to purchase a home or a house and the rehab costs, all in a single loan to get that done. And this can be used for investment properties or personal residences. So again, this is a pretty cool deal. Lend 100% of the project cost, the purchase price, and the repairs or remodel on fixer-upper properties. And like I said, it can be even used for your personal residence or investment properties. The financing is provided by First United Bank here in Oklahoma City. You must collateralize, which means you need to put up some collateral for the loan. If the project is going to be your primary residence, you're going to move into it, 10% of the project cost would need to be collateralized. If it's going to be an investment property, a rental, or a fix and flip, you would need to collateralize 20% of the project cost. But it is true 100% financing because you get the collateralization back at the end of the project. Collateralization that we talked about is not as bad as it sounds. The collateralization can be deposited funds into a CD at First United. So again, if it was a $100,000 project for a fix and flip, you would have to put $20,000 in a CD, which you would get back at the end of the project. Or it could be equity in currently owned real estate, or a combination of the two. So there are multiple ways to kind of get this done. And like I said, you do get it back at the end of the loan. Once the project is completed and rolled into permanent financing, the, the collateral is released back to you, and you can go do another one if you're in the investment mode. That's pretty awesome. Another cool thing is the permanent financing on the back end is based on the after completed appraised value. So if you're buying these properties correctly, below market value, and then doing the rehabs correctly and not overspending for the area, you should have substantial equity in the property. So you can roll that property into permanent financing based on that after repaired value. That is pretty powerful as well. Another cool thing about this particular loan product, it's very affordable while the project is being completed, is you only pay interest-only payments during the term of the note. So you're not strapping yourself for cash making loan payments while you're still trying to rehab the property. Now, First United is a great lender, and they do not charge any outrageous loan fees or junk fees. There is a 1% origination fee on this, plus a total of $200 in the construction inspections that they do during the rehab process. This particular loan product is usually typically set up for 9 months, which should give you tons of time, plenty of time to complete even total rehabs, burnouts, etc. So if it's taking you longer than 9 months, there's some other issues there. So 9 months is usually way more time than you would need to complete one of these rehabs. Another cool thing we get asked about a lot, especially by experienced rehabbers, is can you do your own work? If you're licensed or you can prove experience to the bank, and that's a discussion you're going to have with them, you can save more money and they will allow you to do some of the work on your own rehab. So make sure you get in touch with them about this loan and talk to them about that. Another awesome thing is any type of repairs and remodels on a home is acceptable, unlike the FHA 203K rehab loans. which restrict you as to certain things, like the streamlined FHA will not allow foundation repairs or moving of walls and that type of thing. This loan has none of those restrictions. At the end of the construction, when the property is completed, it can be sold outright to pay off the loan and you pocket the profit, or you can roll it to permanent financing as a investment rental property or as your personal residence. So how do you get started? Well, from the financing side, give Derek England a call at First United Bank. There's his phone number, 405-314-8106, and you can see his email there. If you need to find a fix and flip property or a personal residence, I would be honored to help you. I am an investment experienced realtor here in the Oklahoma City area. My name is Dutch Revenboer with Flat Iron Realty Group. My cell number is 405-590-6563, and there's my email if you want to get in touch with me. I look forward to working with you in the near future, and I hope you found this information valuable. Have a great day.